I just got uncuffed by Rihanna all over my carpet. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day. I am very excited to get into today's unboxing for a couple different reasons. One of them is that this video is in partnership with FabFitFun. They have just released their summer box, which is what we're going to be getting into today. I'm very excited to see what's inside. If you guys do not know, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription that sends out one box each season. These boxes are filled with full-size lifestyle, health, and beauty thingies. And it comes with a really fantastic value. Each box is $49.99. But you are guaranteed to get over $200 worth of product. And if you would like to, I have a little code which I'll put right here on the screen. It is AR10 where you can get $10 off your very first box. These boxes are also now customizable, so you can pick out things that you would like for your box. So I'm going to show you guys what I got in my box today. I'm very excited. Don't know if I've already mentioned that or not. And these boxes are now officially shipping to the UK, which is also very cool. This has nothing to do with me going on a trip, but I'm going to be going to the UK soon and I'm like jazzed. I'm so pumped. I really can't wait. It's gonna be a good time. Alrighty, right here we have the outer shipping box. Let's go ahead and slice on into this to see what the design on the box is gonna look like this month. Ooh, very pretty. Oh my goodness. Alrighty, so here we have the box right here. It's a pretty big old fella. It's very pretty. I like these kind of like botanicals and these green blues. That's a good color. This is also in support of the Global Gift Foundation Girls in Action Alliance with Eva Longoria Foundation. That's pretty cool. Whoa, no. Oh, okay. That was almost my most disastrous drop of a box yet. Yeah, I almost knocked down this just flame right behind me. That would have been cool. All right, now that my composure is somewhat regained, let's go ahead and pop on into this. So right here we have a little magazine with Eva Longoria on the front. That is Eva Longoria, isn't it? Is that Eva Longoria? Yes, it is. This picture of her just looks a little bit different. So inside of here, it's going to give you all sorts of information. It is kind of like a little magazine. And then it'll also tell you about the products inside of the box and their prices. All right, so right here, we have everything all nicely wrapped up. So the very first thing I'm seeing here is a Spray All Day Rose Spray Hydrating Rose Facial Spray from Grace and Stella. As you guys know, rose isn't exactly my favorite scent ever, but I have recently been using a rose facial spray and it works very well. So I'm excited to give this one a try. I've never seen plastic be more well attached to something. Ooh, pretty. So here is the bottle of rose spray. It is super pretty. I like that pale pink. It has a nice fine mister to it. And it does definitely have the scent of rose, but it's not like punchy in the face kind of rose. So this is nice. I was running out of my other rose facial sprays, so I have something to replace it with now. Cool. Alrighty, next up in here, I'm seeing something that I think my mom would very much enjoy. So we have a What a Pair set of 2 silicone wine glasses. Oh, speak of my mom, look at that. Very crunchy plastic. All right, so in this cute little bag here, these are supposed to be silicone wine glasses, which my aunt would also probably like because she has a pool and a very strict no glass anything rule around the pool. They're so cute and smushy. So here are the silicone wine glasses and they are just kind of like a stemless wine glass, but I really like the feeling of these. I'm just gonna drink like juice out of them. My mom can have one for her wine and I could have one for my chocolate milk and apple juice, you know, adult beverages. So these are really cute. I'll see how my mom ends up liking them. She is kind of particular about wine glasses, so this I'm sure is going to be very different for her. But when she does go visit her sister, I think this could be very useful. Okay, I'm gonna set these down now. All right, next up here is something that I have dabbled with before. These are the Invisibobble, the Traceless Hair Ring, and they come with 2 different shades. There is a clear and kind of like a nudish color, and it looks like you get 6 within this little set here. Now, for me personally, these are things that are a little bit difficult to use with my hair. It is very fine, so they don't really hold in there too well, but I definitely think these are super usable for a lot of people, so that's nice. Okay, next up here, we have something from Wish. This is an exfoliating foot mask. That's a little bit different. This is supposed to smooth and soften for intense hydration of the foot. I'm definitely not like a foot person. They're not my favorite things, I gotta say. But I would like for mine to look kind of nice in the summertime because I wear sandals and flip-flops every single day. This feels super liquidy. I'm a little afraid to press it. Oh, there's a safety cap. Oh, it smells pretty good. Oh, it also has coconut milk and verbena in it. So I guess that's what I'm smelling. And that's very interesting. I thought it was going to be kind of like a scrubby face mask, but it's not. It's completely liquidy. And I guess it just goes on and you rinse it off. It says use ideally at bedtime, apply liberally to desired area, let dry, go to bed and awake with softer feet. Rinse after 8 to 12 hours. Wow, okay. So that is a long time to leave something on your foot, but if it works, that would be fantastic. Growing up as a child, I never wore shoes. I could walk across anything, gravel, Legos, you name it, it wouldn't hurt my feet whatsoever, which has given me like a pretty tough foot as an adult, which so I will be trying this out. All right, next up in here we have something from Generation Clay. This is the Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. Ooh, I really like the packaging of this. I will also really enjoy it if it is actually purple. Give myself like a Thanos face. Oh, I think there's prunes in here. Oh. Oh, it is purple. All right, so this is a very like nice, thick, creamy mask, and it is kind of on the purple side, just like a light, pale, pretty purple. Oh, it smells super, super herbally. Oh, kind of like aromatherapy a little bit. It's kind of relaxing smelling. That seems really nice. Also made in Australia, cruelty-free, and I guess you're just supposed to use it just like a regular mask, leave on for 10 minutes until the mask starts to tighten, and then gently wipe it off your face. Or wash it off your face. A little hard to wipe off a mask. Okie dokie, moving right along. The next thing we have in here is from Living Proof. This is the Nourishing Style Cream, which is supposed to stop frizz and lightly condition. This is kind of cute little packaging as well. This is like a leave-on treatment you're supposed to apply generously to clean damp hair from roots to ends, comb through, and style as usual. Oh, that kind of smells good too. I think I've tried Living Proof dry shampoo before, which I really, really like. So yeah, definitely have to give that a try. Maybe I can combat some of this ridiculous Kentucky humidity. That's right, I'm talking to you outdoors. It's very, very hot and very, very sticky. Alrighty, next up here we have something from Dr. Rogers Restore. This is a healing balm. Oh, it says apply liberally to dry or damaged skin, lips, and nails. Ah. So here is the healing balm. It comes in like a cute little metal tube. It almost looks kind of like medical or something. And it's one of those where you have a little stabby cap that you shove into the top. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay. Maybe you shouldn't squeeze on it so much before you open it, but yeah, what needs to be healed? Oh, it's really thick. I'm always covered in stuff. I definitely could use a little bit of this around my cuticles. They have been in a rough state recently, so go ahead and smoosh that around my hands. All right, so now that I'm all balmed up, it does feel like nice and relaxing on super, super dry skin. This elbow is always just terrible, and you guys know why? Because I lean like this to edit, and this elbow just gets destroyed. All right, so we have 2 of our bigger items left for last. Let's go ahead and try these out. Ooh, this is really cute. All right, so here we have like a little kimono. It has kind of a wrappy little belty thing to it. Mine is like black with some flowers on it. Let me go ahead and try this for you guys. Unfortunately, I'm wearing like a toddler shirt right now. Who knew crop tops were this small? I've never really worn crop tops, so I ordered this thinking, oh, that looks like it could fit an adult human. But it's a little small. So very sorry if you can see like a little bit of belly. Okay, so here is the kimono. It is super, super cute. It kind of comes like right above my knee. It has like these nice wide billowy arms. And then if you want, you can tie it up in the front. I think it's really, really cute. You could use this for maybe like a beach cover up. Oh, there's pockets in it. Oh, it got even cuter. Or something just to like wear as a regular outfit. But yeah, I think this is really cute. And the very last item in the little box here is a super cute summertime tote. So here we have kind of like almost a nautical looking, like with the rope in the blue, little tote bag for summer. It's kind of like a canvas material, and this is from the brand Summer and Rose. I have probably way too many tote bags, more tote bags than any one person would ever need, but I love tote bags. You can just throw so much stuff in there. You can put your laptop in there, you can put whatever you want to in there. Like I say, if like some Sour Patch Kids and a thing of barbecue chips end up in your bag and you head into the movies, sometimes that just happens. But I do enjoy a good tote bag. This one feels nice and sturdy. I like the little rope detail. That's a little bit different. Oh, started talking about Sour Patch Kids and barbecue chips and got very hungry. Alright you guys, so let's really quickly go through and look at some pricing of these items so you can get a value of our box. Like I said, there are several different items that you could select to customize your box. So if you guys are interested in getting a customized box, you can go check this out. So in my box, I received the Spiritual Gangster. What an interesting name. Maya Kimono, and this has a retail value of $60. Then I also received the Summer and Rose Davy Nyman. How does my brain work that way? Davy and Diamond? Navy and Diamond tote, which has a retail value of $50. Then I also received the Otome What a Pair set of 2 silicone wine glasses. The retail value is $25. Then I got the Dr. Rogers Restore Healing Balm, which is $30. Whoa! Also the Living Proof No Frizz Nourishing Styling Cream, which is $28. Then the Invisibobble Duo Pack is $16 retail value. The Grace and Stella Rose Facial Spray is $25.95. And then finally, the Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask is $39. Whoa. What is that? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh, it's dripping. This entire bottle of face oil just spilled like all over everything on my desk. I saw a tiny little glimpse of something like shiny and I was like, what is that? It's an entire bottle of face oil. Okay. Anywho, back to what we were doing. Let me go ahead and add up some prices here so I can get you guys a value for this box. Alright, so the total retail value of my box came to $248, which is a very good deal when you consider that you only pay $49.99 for the box, or if you'd like to use my code off your very first box, it'll be $39.99. And that's not like a money generating affiliate code if you guys do want to use it, but you don't want to use it as an affiliate code. So overall, I think this is a very interesting box. I like the range of products we received in here, some like beauty stuff and lifestyle stuff. I also like getting things that I can wear and like carry. But I would absolutely love to know what you guys think about this box. Let me know down below in the comments. I would love to hear all of your thoughts and opinions, and I guess that's all I have for you guys today because the oil is just like getting real close to sliding off the desk and all on into the floor. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the face oil and the Fenty lipstick that I dropped on the ground. Please go ahead and consider subscribing if you would not mind. It means the absolute world to me, and I hope you guys have a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!